Hello everyone, welcome to the Stock Martin channel. I have an awesome video for you today. We are going to be talking about the stock market. We have seen a lot of downward pressures. I did want to talk about this. I normally talk about EV stocks, but I did want to talk about the big correction that's happening that we're witnessing in the stock market. What are some things that you can do to protect your portfolio? We're going to be talking about this and more. Before we get down into it and get started, please give me that big thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Smash that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell. Hit all so you get my latest updated videos. Also, down below, I have the best promotions right now with Moomoo is offering a free Lucid stock. Put in $100 into that link down below. You get a free Lucid stock. Also, in addition to this, you will get more stocks valued each up to $3,500, up to 5 free stocks, depending if you put in more money. That being said, let's transition and talk about the stock market. So as you saw, the stock market is on a downward pressure. We are having a lot of pressures with inflation, with concerns. Right now, the debt is very high in the United States. The Fed is talking about correcting that this year in the year 2022, as we are starting to have a lot of downward pressure. Big things to come is that student loans, they have been frozen for people that are owing student loans in the United States. This should be expiring around May of this year 2022, which translates that people that do have student loans will need to start repaying those back. It's going to be a lot harder for people to purchase and to borrow money. And that was going to be causing a lot of fear in the market because it's going to be harder to get cash. What this equates to, what this means is that the federal government is trying to bring down the debt that it's raised in the past, 2 years with this huge COVID surge. And that is actually going to be hurting a lot of tech stocks because these small companies are going to be really struggling to get some money. That being said, what are some things that you can hedge your money against this big problem, this hurt in the market? It's going to be very hard, as I mentioned, for tech companies. So all the tech companies are going to be dropping, especially new companies that are starting off. So we could have some nice buying opportunities, but in the short term, these companies are going to go down in prices. What can we do to hedge against that? We have also seen a big sell-off in the cryptocurrency market. Cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, Ethereum, everything is going down because people are starting to have that fear. They're starting to take out some money, so they have some money on the sidelines. They are transferring their money into these hedge. There's 3 major sectors that will actually do quite well if inflation is high, and with all this talk about the rollback that the federal government is going to be doing to get rid of that debt. So the first one is going to be banks. Banks tend to do quite well because that money gets transferred to them. They will have to increase their interest rates, make money borrowing harder. So a lot of this money is going to be in the banks. Banks are doing quite well. Take a look at some of the banks out there. You have Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, JP Morgan, Chase. Take a look at these, as these are going to be good hedge against this downward pressure that could be coming in the short term. It looks like that the year 2022 is headed for a correction. I did think that this would be later in the year, but there is some worries out there. There's definitely a lot of worries in the market. And if you are needing money in the short term, definitely that is very nice to do and to get that hedge. Also, another sector that will do very good to protect your money, to protect your portfolio in this time, and probably what's coming this year, that big correction is going to be happening, in my opinion, because the government is going to need to fight that inflation. They're going to need to bring down that pressure. Another thing to look into is insurance. Insurance companies should do quite well. So again, look into this to hedge your money. You have some companies out there that have a good price position points. Some insurance companies to take a look into, such as Lemonade, just to give you an example. The third one is cryptocurrency is actually being hammered quite down. Bitcoin is down, Ethereum is down. How low will these go? It's not quite certain. If you are in cryptocurrency, I have been saying that cryptocurrency right now is a volatile market. This has big swings. This is very volatile, as it can go down very fast, more than 20% in one day, or it can also have the reverse effect and go up just 20% in one day. So it's very volatile. It has been beaten down. I do think that there is a lot of downward pressure on this. How low will it go? We're not quite sure yet, but we'll definitely keep that monitoring, that watch on that. So that being said, how is our EV plays going to be handling this? I do suspect that there could be some downward pressure on the EV stocks. Is there anything wrong with these companies? There's not. But they are going to be having some trouble raising money. But if you are long-term hold on these stocks, I'm talking now even more long-term than that 1 year. If you're going to be holding these stocks for quite some time, in the year 2025 and longer, this could buy nice buying opportunities. But again, these are going to be risky plays, because not all companies that are hammered down, not all these tech companies that are down are going to have a nice recovery. This year, the year 2022, is going to be very selective in which companies go up. It's not going to be like 2021, where the government was giving pretty much free money to everybody just to boost everything up. You saw pretty much all the stocks go up. You saw everything in the stock market very benefit quite well with this borrowed money. But now we do have that inflation. Now we do have that Fed is going to be trying to correct this. There's only going to be certain companies that are going to make it, that are going to be doing good. Now, being a long-term holder, I don't want to give you fear. I just want to give you just a warning, just to know what's going on in the stock market, and just to educate you as well. But always, please do your own due diligence. Always do your own research, as this is my, opinions only. But I definitely want to let you know how I feel, what I'm doing in the stock market. So I hope that definitely helps you. Again, before we end this, thank you so much for all your support, for watching my videos. Please give me that thumbs up. Keep me alive on YouTube. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up right when you start watching this video. Join the community, join the channel by hitting subscribe, hit the notification bell, hit all so you get my latest updated videos. Down below, I have the best promotions for you. Using that link to Moomoo, it can get you a free Lucid stock, LCID stock, which is now worth about $39 just for putting in $100 or more. This is a 39% upside on that money. In addition to this, I do have a nice platform, crypto.com. Crypto does allow you to buy cryptocurrency. If you open an account using that link, you get $25 in cryptocurrency. Definitely very nice to take advantage of that. In addition to this, I do have Bitcoin, which can allow you to trade as well with crypto, and it has that crypto wallet in it as well. If you put in $100, you get $10 of Bitcoin. So very nice opportunities, very nice things I have down below to get you some free money. But I hope you like this video. But again, thanks for all your support, for watching. And it's Friday. Happy Friday, and have a great weekend. I can't wait to talk to everybody in the next one. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye.